Wyatt, Merry Christmas. Hi, Wyatt. You're awake. Oh my goodness, somebody came while you were asleep. Yeah. Okay. Look! Oh my goodness! Santa Claus came for you. Santa brought you presents. Yeah, you and Ava. He brought you and Ava presents. Yeah, from Santa. Are you gonna open Ava's for her?
Open Ava.
Yeah. Ava got a violet just like your Scout.
Ava.
Oh, that's nice, Wyatt.
That's very good, buddy.
Very nice. What else did Santa bring you?
Fish.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Ava.
Yeah, open it up.
Rip it.
You want Daddy to help you start it?
Open it.
Bring it here, I'll help you.
Presents.
Yeah.
Yeah, presents. Look, Santa even got you Cars paper. A lightning, a mater.
What'd you get?
They're on light.
There you go.
It's an aquadoodle, so you can color.
Wow.
So you can color all you want.
Daddy, you open paper.
Okay, we can open it. Go see what else you got.
Go look at your other toys. What else is on the mantle? Look at all the other toys.
Look at all those.
You open this one.
Yep.
Yep.
Daddy, you open. Daddy, you open.
You can open it. Here. Here, your presents. Santa got them for you.
Who's that?
Santa.
Santa brought you a Mac, a Big Mac.
A Big Mac. Check it out, Wyatt.
Take it out.
Get it out.
Is that Mac?
Yeah.
It's a Big Mac.
Big?
Big man.
Like your little Mac, but bigger.
Bigger.
Go ahead, get your other one. I'll open this up for you.
Open.
Hi, Ava. Hey, sweetie. Hey.
Whoa.
Wow, big man.
Big Mac. Wyatt, go get your other presents.
Oh, easy. I don't think they moved, bud.
Say they do now, Daddy.
Yeah, no kidding. Hold on, I'll get it for you.
Get out.
Yeah.
Get it out.
Okay, hold on.